Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amapenzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, Kaizer Stars 0, Durban City 1. I'm joined by Uhlongwane.
Sanibonani balandeli bamaFenzo TV.
Yes, baba.
iKaizer Stars siqale ngayo ngoba idlala kulower division then iPSL.
Yeah.
So iKaizer Stars when they come to this game, iKaizer Stars experience njalo ihlezi idlala ama-playoff ihluleke kuma-playoff ingangeni ku-PSL.
Sure.
And lokho kubenza babe matured although kuyimethod kuyindlela epainful leyo. So namhlanje the only thing abahethile is that on goal. Bona they can play football from the keeper, defensive, midfield, attacking.
Yeah.
But they missed lots of chances today.
Yeah.
They were going to win this game. If they got a chance out,
yeah,
they were going to win this game.
Yeah,
As for Durban City, Durban City, iyadlala iDurban City, but iDurban City iyagrinda. Ayinalo ibhola enzima kakhulu ukuthi at the end we have to win this game. Each and every man target bona ukuthi at the end we have to win this game. Remember ukuthi Durban City, this is their season la ku-league. Season yabo yokuqala le bedlala ukubhethwa iPremiership. So basethubeni lokuthi bawine icup manje iNedbank Cup. So mabewina iNedbank Cup bazodlala iConfederations Cup. But remember ukuthi we still have ETS Galaxy. ETS Galaxy won iNedbank Cup back in 2019.
Sure.
So ETS Galaxy bayikahlangana neDurban City ngashuba kuleyo final.
Ziyakha.
Ayikabi.
Ziyakha.
Kuze kuseniswa amahleza kuzobe kudlala kwangempela lapho.
Va.
Ukuthi i-tough final.
Final.
So enye futhi team esingayinakile underrated team iMilford FC. Iyadlala iMilford FC.
Sure.
Indlela abakhipha ngayo isikhukhune. Kule tuzane game nedlula. Ngambona uthi kuyafuna ukukhala.
Right. Abaridi.
Ngambona uthi kuyafuna ukukhala ukuthi
Abela baridi.
This funny ukuthi into funny ngalaba team lawo iMilford neCaizer Stars. Ochampion bakhona bakhojayo. So letho i-verdict ukuthi i-team ekhoja uchampion kusho ukuthi bayazibisela abadlali bekhoja uchampion. Mabekhoja ucoach at some point bayilahla basic. Isimanga.
Ngiphi man of the match nje yami?
Man of the match namhlanje bayine kahle babeyinika uPokenball. uPokenball uyadlala iswing but into emshayayo yabona mase kuthiwa kuyamako uyalahleka but makuthiwa likuyena uyakwazi ukudlala esebenzisa ngendlela.
Mobheka kusasa korabani uTS neMilford.
Lapho ngayo ngisho kuba penalty lapho ngaphela la golelile.
Uyasho? Ingaphela nje.
Iyadlala ile iMilford futhi iTS Galaxy iyadlala.
Angiyakubamba baba.
Shasha.
Asibonge.